If you're a photographer, you know the struggle of editing photos on a device that just doesn't cut it. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, HUION Inspiroi H1060p. The HUION Inspiroi H1060p caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive price of just $57.01. If you want a solid graphics tablet that feels like a natural extension of your creativity, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the impressive 80-192 levels of pressure sensitivity lets you draw and edit with precision. Imagine being able to replicate those subtle brush strokes you'd make on paper. That's what this tablet offers. It's compatible with most popular software like Photoshop and has a battery-free stylus, so you never have to worry about charging it while you're in the zone. Now, some people complained about the cursor not showing up on certain Android devices like the Samsung Galaxy S series. Here's the thing though, unless you're heavily reliant on those specific features, it's not a deal breaker. For most users, especially those in a professional setting, this tablet offers a fantastic user experience. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring artist or photographer looking for an affordable and reliable tool. Skip this one if you need an iOS-compatible device or if you prefer a larger screen for your editing tasks. At this price point, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the H1060p's compatibility issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. HUION Inspiroi H640p. Next up is the HUION Inspiroi H640p, priced at just $36.10, and it's compact yet powerful. If you want to up your photo editing game without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The H640p features a 6x4-inch drawing area, which is perfect for limited desktop space. It even has customizable hotkeys, allowing you to set shortcuts for your favorite editing functions. This can save you tons of time when you're in the middle of a project. It's compatible with Mac, PC, and even Android devices, making it incredibly versatile for your editing needs. However, some users mention that the build quality feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, while it may not feel as sturdy as more expensive options, it's lightweight and portable, which makes it great for on-the-go editing. Plus, at this price, you're getting a lot more than you pay for. This tablet is perfect for beginners or anyone on a budget who still wants solid performance. Skip this one if you need something more durable for heavy use. You really can't beat the value for money here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a bit more power. Product number 3, URAO 10.1 Android Tablet. The URAO 10.1 Android tablet stands out with its affordable price of $90.50 and an octa-core processor that promises impressive performance. If you're looking for a tablet that can handle multitasking while also being great for photo editing, this is worth a shot. The key feature here is the 24 GB RAM, which ensures you can run multiple apps without lagging, essential for those heavy editing software. Plus, it has a 128 GB internal storage capacity, expandable up to 1 TB, ensuring you won't run out of space for your projects or photos anytime soon. Some users have pointed out that the screen resolution might not be sharp enough for professional editing. Here's the thing though, for casual photographers or those just starting out, this tablet provides a great balance of functionality and price. You may not get the finest detail, but it's perfect for reviewing and organizing your photos. This tablet is ideal for casual users or students who want a device that can do more than just edit photos. Skip this if you're a professional looking for top-tier display quality. The value here is solid for the price. Now, if you need something with even better resolution, the next tablet could be just what you need. Product number 4, Google Pixel Tablet. Coming in at $437.83, the Google Pixel tablet is a bit more of an investment, but it packs some serious features. If you want a tablet that's also a powerhouse for editing and streaming, this is definitely worth considering. The built-in Google AI helps streamline your workflow, allowing you to quickly search and edit without switching apps constantly. Plus, the Magic Editor lets you change backgrounds and move objects with ease. It's like having an editing assistant right there with you. However, the higher price might be a hurdle for some. While it does come with top-notch features, if you're only looking for basic editing, you might find it overkill. But if you're serious about your craft, the capabilities this tablet offers could make it worth every penny. This is perfect for professionals who want a high-quality display and advanced editing features. Skip this if you're just starting out or if you want something more budget-friendly. For what you're getting, it does provide solid value. Now, if you're on a tighter budget but still want quality, this last tablet might surprise you. Product number 5, Wacom Intuos Medium. Last but not least, we have the Wacom Intuos Medium, a solid choice for $N$A if you're looking for a well-established brand in the drawing tablet market. This one is worth exploring. Wacom has been a leader in the tablet industry for years, and the Intuos Medium offers Bluetooth connectivity and 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. This means you can create detailed edits and adjustments without any lag. It's compatible with all major software, making it flexible for any editing tasks. Plus, Wacom provides some great software and training resources with your purchase, which is a nice bonus. Some users have mentioned the lack of a display on this tablet as a downside. Here's the thing, while it does require you to look at your computer screen while drawing, many professionals prefer this setup for more accuracy. If you're used to working this way, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for serious artists or photographers who need a reliable tool for editing and creating. Skip this if you want a tablet with an integrated screen. Given Wacom's reputation, it's a worthy investment for your craft. To wrap it up, we've looked at the HUION Inspiroi H1060p, HUION Inspiroi H640p, URAO 10.1 tablet, Google Pixel tablet, and Wacom Intuos Medium. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Google Pixel tablet because it offers amazing display quality and productivity features that can truly enhance your editing process. Avoid the Wacom Intuos if you want a display integrated into your tablet. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.